Hello, so today I wanted to talk about iteration in Python. So what it really consists of is repeating a block of code if your condition is still true, whereas if it's false, it will break out of the iteration. This can be achieved in Python by loops. In this first block, we have one type of called a while loop, and this will go forever so long as the condition is true. You also have this counter here. This part right here is just a shorthand way of adding 1 to itself. So x will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So if I run this block, you can see that 0 is less than 10, and so on until we get to 9. And this is how you would write it with a for, and you can also incorporate the range function, which will give you numbers in the same fashion as the counter here. While this is always conditional, this is more iterative, so this will go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas the actual counting mechanism is right here. So if I print this, it's the exact same output. There's also iteratable objects in Python, so you can iterate through a list like so. It'll output apple, orange, coconut based on the sequence of this. It doesn't have to be string lists, it can be number lists too. You can iterate through strings and get their characters like this. And interestingly, if you have a dictionary, there's also multiple ways to iterate through it. So you can iterate through the items, the keys, and the values. They look like so. If you don't put any thing on your variable here, you'll just get the keys. If you say x.items, you have to say for and then 2 variables here. This will be your key and value, and this will print them out accordingly. You could say print out your keys or print out your values directly